Good evening, myself Jigar Pandya. I am Director of Growth in Upsquare, Ahmedabad. I see this session very differently. I had attended many sessions, but the sessions become boring because of educator is educating. We never got a chance to have practicals. So in both days we have practicals. Say that come to the group and do this practical. So this was the major thing which I can relate myself, that from this I can learn more. Okay, before going to the three learnings, I want to share that before today, last night I was watching one movie which is Oscar winning. Can you guess that movie? My opinion. I was watching that movie last night, and I relate myself that past years I was also watching movie, and I am now clear that what I am missing. Okay, so I have learned new data. Brain is your biggest enemy. System thinking, interconnected or interdependent system thinking. If you are department, if you are in a department, then you are in a trap. There is no department. There is a organization culture. Okay. First key which I can take from this session is learn about symptoms, structure, and source. From my experience, we had a lot of problems in my past, but we are trying to solve as a symptom level. We never go to the structure or source. Okay, this is the main thing which I learned from this session. Second thing I can club into two. First is the empathy walk, and second is a stakeholder interview. Okay, so last night I was thinking about only empathy walk because I went to my office yesterday, meet 5 persons on the same day, because I want to go into this scenario that why Mr. Manoj is giving us this practice to have with your own people. Then I went to home, and I did with my wife also. But before where I giving my most of the time office, how they are thinking with me. So I got some new data from my own people whom I am working with from past 5 or 6 years. So I did not get even 5 or 6 years or 10 years also. Okay, so the third thing is talk nice and talk tough. At some point we are already know that we are talking nice to our boss or our peers, or sometimes we talk tough that this will not work because of this reason. But this is not by maintaining. The only major thing is culture of a dialogue, which I learned today's session. Today's session was different, and today's session was covered only 2 or 3 points, but all the points are different, and which I like. What I want to share is before this meeting, what I learned from these 2 days. What I found in myself is I was in fear to share the data to my team. Okay, which I learned mostly, and I will work on it, and will try to share as much as data with my team so that they can create wonder out of it. Thank you very much.